In this video, we'll take a look at how you can use your drone for different clients and uncover some of the lesser known uses for our UAVs. We all know drones with cameras are great tools for filmmaking and photography, but what else can we do with additional equipment? After all, drones are absolutely packed with technology and multiple sensors. Drones can carry sensing equipment to assist with any number of different functions. Things such as geological surveying, agriculture, archaeology, and several other industries can benefit hugely from this technology. First of all, drones can use LiDAR to measure the height of crops. LiDAR is a remote sensing technology that measures distance by illuminating an object with a laser, which is near infrared or UV, and then that measures what light is reflected back. Heat sensors can detect the temperature of livestock, the presence of water, water temperature, and for surveillance and emergency responses. The same heat or infrared sensors on the Enterprise drone can also be used for search and rescue missions. Multispectral instruments can count plants or crop density, check the health of plants, and even assess water quality. Technology such as visual spectrum sensors make it possible to survey and map land. This is useful for farmers and people in the agricultural industry. Biological sensors can be used to take air quality readings and check for the presence of specific microorganisms and organic compounds. As mentioned with the Enterprise drone, the magnitude of sensors that can be packed into this device can be used to help locate and save life. It can also be used to gather and deliver medical equipment and samples, different supplies and medicines to remote or otherwise unreachable areas. Drones have made it possible to survey land and gather information at different job sites. Realtors, developers and builders have also begun using drones to gather video and imagery for home and building inspections, as well as different marketing materials to help assist with the overall selling process. Commercial uses are now coming into play by retailers to deliver their goods as part of the standard practice. Whilst we're maybe a couple of years away from full implementation, companies such as Amazon, Ørsted and Walmart have used drones to deliver packages to customers and to their internal events. Another recent use for drones is for conservation. Companies across the globe are using them to plant trees on a larger scale than ever known before. Using a fleet of drones, they aim to plant millions of trees in unpopulated areas to help maintain a healthy and green planet. Light shows are something that we have seen at large-scale events such as the Olympics and at New Year's festivals, which commonly used fireworks. This is achieved by using a large number of drones that are all synchronized together and choreographed to showcase various formations. Almost any image can be recreated by a program that turns graphics into flight commands, which then communicates to the drones in the air. So to summarize, drones are not only a great video and photography tool, they can be used in agriculture, realty, commercial, technology and entertainment, but most importantly and most impressively of all, they're helping us achieve a greener planet.